Oh, not neck, sorry.
That's neck.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! What was that smack?
That was the bed under this. Oh no.
You think it was my neck? Yeah! Because all I thought was you laying there like this. I was like, oh my god.